विजयवाड़ा के LIC दफ्तर में रियासती सतह का 2 रोजा इजलास जारी है। इजलास के दौरान इदारे के मौजूदा सूरत-ए-हाल और मुस्तकबिल पर तबादला ख्याल किया गया। वेणुगोपाल राव ने कहा कि फिलवक्त LIC नफा बख्श इदारा है। मरकजी हुकूमत ने LIC में FDI को बढ़ा दिया है। FDI में इजाफा इदारे की निजकारी के मुमासिल है। वेणुगोपाल ने कहा कि LIC को बचाने के लिए मुल्कीर सतह पर तहरीक चलाई जाएगी। 2 रोजा इजलास के दौरान मरकजी हुकूमत की जानिब से पेश करदा बजट पर भी तबादला ख्याल किया गया।
This conference is being held in the background of budget proposals made by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. In the budget, there are 3 proposals relating to insurance industry. One is the increase of 49 FDI from 49% to 74%. Another is the decision to open up the Life Insurance Corporation of India to private players by disinvesting certain shares from the Life Insurance Corporation of India. And the third is the privatization of 2 banks and 1 general insurance company. So these 3 proposals are made by the Finance Minister in the budget proposals, and we as All India Insurance Employees Association oppose all these proposals. And we firmly believe that there is no need of further increase in FDI from 49% to 74%, when actually the share of FDI is only 35% in the life sector and 23% in general insurance sector, when the actual limit is 49%. So this is being done only to attract the foreign investors, even in spite of the fact that already there is a low ratio of the FDI in the insurance sector.